setup is stupid. Look at all these fights, bro. These are art. This is art, bro. Right? I left my phone in my car. Fucking vipers and shit, bro.
JoJo Car is back with another video, man. And today, I guess we're gonna put my bumper back on and all that. It's kind of dark out. I don't know if y'all can see all that. It's kind of dark out, but I got a new lip also. And it's the same color as my bumper. Y'all see this mug right here, looking pretty vicious. All that. But yeah. So we're about to put on my bumper. I'm just testing out a new camera also. So it's a lot of stuff going on. I guess you can comment down below if you want, if it looks better than before. But yeah, should be the new setup and this new camera and all that. But yeah, right now I am about to put this bumper on. I guess I'll probably just stand it up and make a time lapse or something. So kind of just stay in tune to the video and yeah, enjoy the time lapse or whatever. I don't know what I'm really gonna do yet. So yeah, stay tuned. All right. Now, struggling hard. Alright, it's obviously the morning and I'm still struggling with this fucking bumper. I just started working on it again, type shit, but it's just annoying me with this black piece on the inside, that like foam piece or whatever, just being annoying as fuck. So I'm trying to move around it right now. Yeah. Hey, there we go, guys. There we go. Let's see this side. One side. This side. Last part. Alright, so now this is the time lapse. I'm still in the process of putting everything back in. Alright, good. So the lip fell off, but basically that could just always snap back on, so I'm not really worried about it. So I'm about to deal with a couple of the screws under. Now everything is up. See everything right there? Now everything is up. See everything right there? Everything is up and done. Yes, sir. But that is the end of this video. Fucking tired as hell. I just gotta put my license plate back on or whatever. But I'm super tired after this now. But make sure you follow the gram, cause that's where you're gonna see all the pictures of all this stuff. Make sure you follow that gram and subscribe to this channel while you are here. Nothing left to say, and JoJo out.